What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you some expensive custom bikes in the world. I have prepared a list of 10 expensive bikes with full details. So make sure to watch till the end to see the most expensive bike in this list, and also comment down which bike you like the most. So let's start the video. Number 10. Honda RC213 VS. This is a road legal version for the Honda MotoGP racer that is built exactly on the same design but added with extra features. Its 1000cc liquid cooled engine produces a maximum power of 156.8 HP. Honda built only 250 units of this bike with a cost of $184,000 US. Number 9 in the list is Ducati Desmo Sedici D16RR NCR M16. This machine, with a price tag of $232,000 US, gets a carbon fiber treatment everywhere, starting from the load bearing parts such as the frame, swing arm, wheels, wheel tank, fairings, tail and fenders. The stock 989cc V4 engine produces around 175 HP, while this track-only bike has been tuned to offer 200 plus horsepower. Number 8. Next bike in this list is Ecose FE Ti XX. Denver-based Ecose Motorworks unveiled this bike in the year 2011 with a price tag of $300,000. It boasts a 2.4-liter billet aluminum engine that produced 225 horsepower. This bike sports grade 9 titanium exhaust pipes that have a ceramic shot pin finish. Most interestingly, only 13 units of this bike were made. Number 7. Next up is legendary British Vintage Black, which is a unique bike with a price of $400,000 and finds no match in the world. The bike has 2 cylinders to provide the 250cc performance. The bike was produced in the United Kingdom. It may not provide you with the fastest speeds, but it will certainly attract people to see this exclusive antique bike. Number 6. Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike. This bike could literally make your jaw drop seeing the price and the specs. It costs a mere $550,000. This breathtaking invention is often confused with a car, since it uses a 8.3-liter Dodge Viper engine that produces a staggering 500 HP and a top speed of 400 miles per hour. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship. This bike is the first to cross the 1 million mark. It was hand-painted by world-famous artist Jack Armstrong, which is why this Harley costs so much. It's a 1400cc Harley V-Rod, custom painted with Armstrong's cosmic extensionalism style.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Andy Warhol was my buddy from '79 till he died, and in '87. And you know what? If Andy was here tonight, he would say, "Kid, you did good. $1 million motorcycle, and the rich and famous are here to see it. And it's going to go all over the world tomorrow morning."
I think he is here.
I think he is too, baby. We're going to ride it again, then we're going to put it back on the ground here, and I think Lorenzo Lamas is going to ride it into the dealership.
Awesome.
So here we go, baby.
The Cosmic Star.
Number 4. Yamaha BMS Nemesis. This beast, created by Sam Neme from BMS Choppers, has a hefty price range of $3 million. It uses a Yamaha 1700cc V-twin engine and has a top speed of 200 mph. This awesome artwork gets a number of 24-karat gold-plated parts all over it. This bike has an air ride system that can lift or lower the motorcycle 10 inches onto the ground. Thus, the side stand is completely unnecessary. Ecose ES1 Spirit. This $3.6 million Ecose Spirit is a limited edition titanium motorcycle and is the third most expensive bike in the world. This unique bike has no chassis framework, so to speak. The swing arm and rear suspension are attached to the gearbox, while the front suspension is attached to the engine. This 265-pound bike can reach speeds up to 229 mph, and most interestingly, there are only 10 examples of this bike. (1949) E90 AJS Porcupine, the second most expensive bike in the world, costing a whopping $7 million, is a gracious bike dating from 1949. It was one of the innovatively designed machines back then, and the AJS company produced only 4 units of it. It was distinct for its open frame aluminum alloy 500cc DOHC twin engine with horizontal cylinders and heads. After Les Graham had won the World Championship in 1949 on this bike, sealed it for the AJS Porcupine. Finally, it's time for the most expensive bike in the world, the Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter. With a jaw-dropping $11 million, one can get hold of this remarkable masterpiece. What sets it apart from other bikes is its unique clockwork design with an eye-catching chassis carved from a single piece of metal. The bike is complemented by titanium, aluminum and carbon fiber body parts. The interesting part is that the bike, despite its radical look, is completely road legal and can hit a top speed of 190 mph. Only 45 units of this bike hit the market. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get the latest videos. See you in the next video.